That's the famous Hagia Sophia Mosque. The Blue Mosque. Istanbul, Turkey. That's the fortress church of the Greek Christian Orthodox of the Byzantine Empire before it fell to the Ottoman Turks and became a mosque. And Constantinople became Istanbul. That's the famous Blue Mosque there.